Do you wake up with sore jaws, headaches, or sensitive teeth? You might be one of the millions unknowingly grinding your teeth at night. It's called bruxism, and today we'll show you how to spot it, what causes it, and how to finally get relief. Bruxism is the medical term for teeth grinding and clenching. It happens when you sleep, or sometimes when you're stressed or focused. While occasional grinding might not be a big deal, chronic bruxism can lead to jaw pain, damaged teeth, sleep problems, and even long-term dental issues. Bruxism has many triggers, but some of the most common include stress and anxiety, sleep disorders like apnea, and misaligned teeth. It can also be influenced by certain medications, caffeine, tobacco, or alcohol use. Identifying the cause is the first step toward finding the right treatment. If you wake up with headaches, sore jaws, or hear grinding noises at night, it's time to pay attention. You might also notice chipped, flattened, or sensitive teeth, tight jaw muscles, or even popping sounds when you chew. Catching these signs early can help you avoid bigger dental problems later. Custom night guards are one of the best ways to protect your teeth while you sleep. Dental corrections like braces or crowns can fix bite problems causing grinding. And for severe cases, Botox injections can relax overworked jaw muscles, reducing pain and grinding frequency. You can help manage mild bruxism at home too. Stress management through meditation, yoga, or breathing exercises is a great start. Try jaw stretches and apply warm compresses before bed. And avoid triggers like excessive caffeine, alcohol, and chewing gum. Kids sometimes grind their teeth during growth spurts, while seniors may develop bruxism due to bite changes or medications. Treatments should always be age-appropriate, from night guards to gentle dental adjustments designed for comfort and long-term care. Teeth grinding can strain the temporomandibular joint, better known as the TMJ, causing jaw pain, clicking, and tension headaches. It also disrupts deep sleep, causing daytime fatigue and poor rest. Addressing both bruxism and any related sleep issues can make a huge difference in your daily life. Stop living with jaw pain, headaches, and restless nights. At ADHP Torrance, we offer personalized bruxism treatments to protect your teeth and restore your comfort. Call us today at 760-689-9742 to schedule your consultation and start sleeping easier.